So after spending hours and days chatting on the Uhmegle platform, my Uhmegle account got banned. Now it doesn't matter whether you got the ban from your mobile device or from your PC. The important thing there is that you were banned. And Uhmegle is always proposed to make an instant unban by paying the required fee that is being demanded, and in USD it should be $7. I mean, it doesn't even make sense to pay this instant unban fee just to chat on the Uhmegle platform. Okay, and thankfully I found a legal way or a couple of workarounds to get around this ban and start using the Uhmegle platform once more without having to pay anything. Okay, so without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. So one thing you should understand with Uhmegle is that it uses your IP address to define exactly where you're supposed to place you for either a text or a video chat. Okay, so anytime you access the Uhmegle platform via their website URL, you should be redirected to this page where you have to select whether you want to start texting or video chatting with strangers. And if you go against their rules, you will get your IP address banned. Alright, Uhmegle doesn't let you create an account or sign up for the platform, unlike the Uhmegle itself lets you do, but they massively rely on your IP address to determine exactly who you are or from which device you are accessing their platform. So the best and straightforward way to get unbanned on Uhmegle is to change your IP address. Now for sure, you should already know that the most straightforward way to get a new IP address is to use a VPN, which is of course the first method that we're going to be using in this guide. So let's dive in. So diving straight into the first method, which involves using a VPN to change your IP address. And talking of VPN, there are many free VPN for PC, ranging from Proton VPN, HideMe, Privatedo, Hotspot Shield, and even Windscribe. But my preference is Windscribe VPN, okay, because Windscribe offers a very great bandwidth and a higher data limit as compared to most of these other free VPNs. So I recommend you use Windscribe, which is a free VPN to use for PC or even for mobile in case you're looking to get unbanned from Uhmegle on your mobile device. And also you can get the direct download link for this Windscribe VPN from the video description. So after downloading Windscribe VPN, if you're on PC, you should have this look, this simple and easy to use look. If you're on mobile, you should have a different look, but it should as well be easier as well. And then since we're on PC here, you just download the Windscribe VPN on your PC and you switch on the VPN. Okay, after switching on the VPN, while making sure you are connected to a different location from what you actually access the Uhmegle platform with, you are ready for the next step. So next, you want to close this browser that you opened, this browser tab that you opened with the Uhmegle, so as to load a new IP from your browser. So just close your browser just like so and open it once more. Okay, from here now you want to open the Uhmegle platform again, and then if everything goes right, if your IP address has been changed, you should probably see yourself being able to access the Uhmegle platform once more. So this is the simplest and most straightforward way to get unbanned from Uhmegle. If after connecting to a VPN you are unable to access the Uhmegle platform, you want to switch to a different location, because not all VPNs work best with this trick. Okay, so you want to switch VPN, and if after switching VPN doesn't work, then you dive into the next step. So if you're unable to resolve this with the first method I provided, you want to make sure that you open your browser and tap on this or click on this three-dot icon right here, and then you scroll down to delete browsing data. And from here on this tab, you make sure that these cookies and other site data is checked. Okay, so after doing this, you just want to click on delete data while making sure this one and the browsing history are checked also. So just click on this delete data, and then after deleting the data, you want to open back a new tab on your browser and go to Uhmegle. As you can see, the look of the Uhmegle platform has changed because I deleted the data and the cache I used to access this platform. So the recent login or the recent session that I had with this platform has been erased, okay, including my IP address. And also, before doing this, I will recommend that you just unplug or restart your network, okay. If you are using data, you want to switch from one ISP to the next, or from one SIM to the next. And if you are using a router, you want to turn it off and turn it back on, or just simply restart it for it to allocate you a new IP address. But if you still don't want to do that, you want to keep your VPN turned on and then follow the steps of this second method I highlighted. So that's how you get unbanned from Uhmegle without having to pay a dime. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and tap that notification bell to not miss any content from us. So I catch you in the next episode.